Hi, I'm Cameron with Amazon Studios, and in this video we're going to cover how to fill or pop out metals on your products using the Amazon Basics Portable Photo Studio. Now, your unit already does a pretty good job of filling in most reflective surfaces or metals on products, but we thought it'd be beneficial just to go ahead and show you the difference so you have a better understanding on how to maximize the quality of your images. So let's get started. First, let's go ahead and show you what it looks like without the front flap fill. Doesn't look great. Okay, now let's try with the front flap down. That's better, but now let's try it with a matte silver card. These can be found at most photography stores or at your local art supply store. I personally prefer to use matte silver cards just to get a little bit better gradation, but if you don't have it, please don't feel like you have to go out and buy some. Just use your front flap. And there you go, a quick, simple fix that'll help elevate your product photography. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to check out our other videos.